before your subordinate went on leave. He sent you his work for your review. And you finally have the time to open his file now. After you open his file, you were stunned like vegetable due to how the spreadsheet was formatted. Don't worry. I will show you how you can use this tool, called the Format Painter, in Excel to improve on the formatting of the spreadsheet. We can start by formatting the first table in the spreadsheet. Select the cell range that shows the weekday and fill it to yellow. Select this cell over here. Fill it to light blue. And for the cell range over here, let us change the font from 11 to 18. Bold the cell that contains total. After the first table has been formatted, the rest of the table will be easy. We can use the same formatting we applied on first table to the rest of the tables with the help of the Format Painter. Let us select the first table. Now, click on the Format Painter shown over here. You can see that the cursor now changed to a cross sign and also a paintbrush. This means we have switched on the Format Painter mode. Now, select the second table. Then release the mouse click. And there you go, the format in the first table has also been applied on the second table. We can repeat the same for third table. Click on Format Painter again. Select the third table, release the mouse click. Repeat same steps for the fourth table. So now you can see, the spreadsheet has been formatted using the Format Painter. If you have observed how I apply the formatting, you realized that we need to click on the Format Painter multiple times, one for each table. This is because once we release the mouse click, the Format Painter mode will be switched off. There is actually a way to keep the Format Painter mode on when we have different area on the spreadsheet to work on. To do this, we have to double-click on the Format Painter. So let us select the first table again. Now, we can double-click on the Format Painter. Again, you will notice that the mouse cursor changed to a cross sign and paintbrush. Select Table 2 and release the mouse click. Select Table 3 and release the mouse click. Do the same for Table 4. Press Escape button on the keyboard to turn off the Format Painter mode. So this is a more efficient way of using the Format Painter when we have more area on the spreadsheet to work on. And now you click on second tab of the spreadsheet. The formatting also needs to be improved and be consistent with the earlier formatting that we have applied. Once again, don't worry, the Format Painter has got our back. Go back to the first tab. Click over here. Select the Format Painter. Go back to the second tab. Click over here, release the mouse. And there you go again, now you have the same formatting as the first tab of the spreadsheet. So we have come to the end of this video on the Format Painter. Hope you find this useful in the course of your work. If you want your Excel skill to be also steady, do smash the subscribe and like button for more videos like this. See ya in next video.